Hey guys, welcome back to the wet channel. It's noontime, so I want to take a little ride out and check out the neighborhood and see what's what. So hang on, please excuse the windshield wipers, but you know, at least you get to see what's, you know, happening. All right. So far, my side of the street's pretty good. I'm not going to get out there and take a look at the runoff. But the right side is just being like choked up. As you can see, it's pretty well flooded. There's one of the holes under the driveway over there is pretty small. I think it just can't handle it. Maybe I should like angle it or something. I'll go back and forth. These pep tanks are still going off. I see the red light on that house. And that one stopped. Oh no, that one's still on too. Yeah, that's a whole lot of water on that side. For JW and Gina's house. Now I know Tony's house. Yeah, see a tree was down over there, blew over. Small little tree. And my gate's still messed up. Oh, I guess I better put the seatbelt on. We don't want that thing dinging, right? Okay, so again, here's my friend Tony's house. Swales are definitely full. The street's flooded too. I took another walk and I came down here and the street's really getting flooded. So I hope these houses don't get any water in their house. See, right now the road's flooded. Somebody's mailbox is laying in the water over there. Can't excuse the windshield wipers, but I want to see how all this is going. The banana trees there. My buddy Lou wants me to take a ride past his house, make sure it's okay. Yeah, this is really flooding on both sides. Like the swales just can't handle it on this road. tell the wind is still hoofing, still driving that rain. Got a lot of debris in the road over here. Gonna come up to one of the town swales where all of our swales dump into. Wow, they're pretty full. See, this is where, like, all these streets, there's swales in front of their house dump into. So yeah, they're getting full. Looks like we got some debris that fell down over here. They should pick that up because it's like in their swale and it's stopping the water flow. Definitely swale is full. Another tree down or something there. I may have to put the defroster on, guys. I'll try to put it on low so it doesn't, not that loud. Wow, that swale's really full there. I'd be concerned with the swale that full. Pep tank alarm going off over there, that's red. Another one over there on that house, that's red. Debris in the front lawn. Here's another one here. Yep. Getting full. Oh yeah. But as long as it's still accepting water. Look at that. Can't believe these swales. But they're working. No water up to anybody's house yet. I you know, been looking at that, so. Coming up to my friend's house over here. That one's really full. That's even out into the road. Tell that's really full and into the road. But you know how full they are, And coming into the street, I guess they did plan it correctly for it to do that, opposed to going into people's houses. Now, and again, I have not seen anybody's house where the water's up to it yet. So that's a good thing. Still debris in the road. Now here we got water coming across the road from swale to swale. It's definitely at its definitely maxed out. Coming onto Belterra now, so I'm gonna have to pick up the speed once I get back on it, and then make the right to go towards the house, and I'll do another couple of side streets. Well, that sidewalk is flooded over there. Somebody's trampoline blew over. I don't know if you caught that or not. Definitely looks like something was all over the road over here. Looked like a couple of gutters that were there. But definitely stuff from the trees were across the road, as you can see here. Okay, so let's take a look at these swales. Ooh, that one's full. We'll catch them on the way back. Wow, yeah, because these, the one on the right over here, because it's undeveloped, there's no swale. So the first swale, let me call you back. About 10 minutes. Back. So yeah, but that house is maxed up. You can tell it's above the hole that passes underneath the garage. I'm sorry, underneath the driveway. Look at all of these ones. His mailbox is open. See, these are all maxed out. And that's the one that's for the town. It goes back into, I guess, wherever it goes to. But it handles all the swales from these houses. Moving along. Again, debris in the road. But look at these. Look at these swales. They're really getting full. And this one here, I don't get it, but this is a brand new house. I don't think they graded it correctly. Whatever. Alright. Won't see it from my house unless I walk down the road. Again, debris in the road. Now I'm surprised that I didn't see this porta-john get blown over. Again, there's the one that connects. Around. Two more streets we'll head down. Walked down this one earlier. Definitely getting full. Definitely needs swale maintenance on that one. Amazing. All the debris in the road. I wonder if a street sweeper is going to come by and clean this up. I assume the people that live here will do it, you know, with a blower or what have you. But I will be surprised if a street sweeper comes by. Okay, there's again the one for the town. Looks like it goes over to something on the other road. We're going to go down to that road anyway. But anyway, there's one more I want to hit, and we'll go back to the house. And that's the road behind Tony's house. Emergency alert. A flash flood warning is in effect in this area until 3:15 p.m. Well, let's get through it. Here it is, 12:15, so. But it's not downpouring, so. Again, a bunch of debris on the road. Swales are getting full. It's already flooding across the road. And there's the town one again, getting debris all over their vehicles and their yard. So the rain gauge I'm looking at now is 2.5 inches of rain since the last time I emptied it this morning. at 7:30ish or right around there because I was doing the walk. So, and it was above the 5-inch mark, so I'm gonna say that's at least another 3 inches. So that's 8 inches of rain that we've gotten so far. This off. Okay guys, that's our lunchtime drive-through. Not too bad. A lot of stuff laying around, but other than that, no water up to anybody's house, which is a blessing. My swale is doing good compared to others. Mine's doing really good. So other than that, we're gonna catch you on the the evening one. I'll do another one during the evening. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care.